Hello, my dear students. So, here I have come once again to discuss one more topic of the adventures of Don Quixote. And, student, as you all know, that in the last class we have started our textual grammar where we have discussed about adjectives. And from that discussion only, we got to know that adjectives are the words which define, modify, or tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. I hope all of you have well understood the definitions and examples of adjectives, and you have done the home assignment also that I gave you yesterday. Now, student, today we are going to discuss a new topic about adjectives, and it is types of adjectives. Now, student, we can divide or categorize adjectives into 6 categories, and they are qualitative, quantitative, number, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. Now, student, out of these 6 kinds of adjectives, today we are going to discuss the first two, which are qualitative and quantitative. Now, let me start with the discussion on these two types of adjectives. At first, student, please look at the examples that I have included. Number 1 is Rina has beautiful eyes. Number 2 is windmills has long sails. Here, student, the words beautiful and in the second example the word long, they are telling us the answer of the question, that what kind of eyes does Rina have and what kind of sails do the windmills have. Means the words beautiful and long, they are giving us the answer of the question, what kind of. So these words which we are discussing or telling us what kind or the kind of something are the adjectives of quality. Therefore, we got to know that the words which are used to describe the physical features of a noun or pronoun are adjectives of quality. Here also you can see that the words beautiful and long, they are describing the physical features of Rina and windmills. Here Rina and windmills are nouns in the sentences. So I hope that if you have understood the adjectives of quality. Now look at these next two examples. Number A is I have little knowledge on politics. And number 2 is put some sugar in the dessert. Here, student, the word little and some. These two words, these are showing the amount of the noun. They are telling us the exact numbers. In the first example, the word little is telling us the amount of knowledge, and in the second example, the word some is telling us the amount of sugar. So students, the words, say for example little and some, which are telling us, providing us the exact numbers or the quantities of the nouns, here it is knowledge and here it is sugar, are the adjectives of quantity. So student, from this two example, I hope that you have got the idea of adjectives of quantity. So let me show you the definition of this one, that is words that show the amount or the approximate amount of a noun or pronoun are adjectives of quantity. So student, I have already told you the meaning of the first two adjectives, which are adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. And student, today I am not proceeding in further. The next class I shall discuss the next two kinds of adjectives, which are number and demonstrative adjective. And student, as this is our first class on types of adjectives, that's why I'm not giving you any home assignment today. I'll give it after discussing the next few types of adjectives. As for now, thank you so much. And students, tomorrow we shall discuss the next two kinds of adjectives.